I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. In my adult class, they requested more shuffle exercises, and I was like, I thought we've been doing shuffle exercises this whole time, and it's something that I haven't touched on a lot this year, I realized. So we're going to be doing a really fun shuffle exercise. It can be done at all levels. It just depends on the speed. So we're gonna do it slightly slower at first, and then we'll do it sped up. But honestly, you can do it as slow or as fast as you want to on your own. It's an all level technique exercise because it is just shuffles. So the thing about shuffles is that you really want to be loose. The minute that you tighten up your foot in a shuffle, you can't do a shuffle. You gotta loosen up. The shuffle really comes from up here, and the foot is very relaxed. It's still doing work, but it's relaxed work. So you have to loosen up in order to let your shuffles really do what they're supposed to do. So we're gonna be doing shuffles en croix, which basically means front, side, back, side. So this exercise starts out really simple. You can do 8 shuffles to the front, 8 shuffles to the side, 8 shuffles to the back, 7 shuffles to the side, and then a step so that you can switch feet. So if you want to hold on to something, I found also in my adult class, I said, you know, if you're working on loosening your shuffles and you don't want to worry about balance, holding onto the bar is so helpful. So you can grab a chair, or you can be doing this like where your kitchen counter is, if you can move your top floor there, or grab a friend and say, stand here for 5 minutes, maybe 10, and see if they'll do that. Just hold on to something. If I need to hold on to something, I usually bring a chair over, or I just hold on to my mantle, and it allows me to focus on what this leg is supposed to be doing instead of, okay, I have to balance. But eventually, once you get the looseness, once your feet understand what they're supposed to be doing, come off of holding on to something, come off of the bar, so that you can then add the very important element of balance to your shuffles. But if you just want to isolate the way the foot is supposed to feel, it's okay to hold on to something. Totally fine. So we're going to be doing 8 shuffles to the front, 8 shuffles to the side, 8 shuffles to the back, 7 to the side, and then a step. Hello, Bento. Welcome to the tutorial. Are you going to shuffle with me? He's not interested in shuffling today. He's like, I just wanted to be on camera. Thanks, Mom. And now he's going to claw the carpet. Good boy. All right, so 8 shuffles to the front. You really want to make sure it's a down-up motion and you don't kick your cat. So you want to make sure it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you turn out to the side. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you maintain that turnout. You plie your standing leg. It naturally brings your leg a little bit to the back. And again, you don't kick your cat while you try to do and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And you're naturally to the back, but it's still a side shuffle. You just do it to the back. You do it back here, behind your leg. Then you bring it back for 7 sides. And then switch. And then we're going to do it all on the left foot, just like that. Then the tricky part comes in. And if you're a beginner and you just want to do the 8-8-8-7 switch, 8-8-8-7 switch, and then do that all again, totally fine. But for intermediate and advanced, you're going to start with 8-8-8-7 switch on both sides, and then we're going to mess with it a little bit. We're going to have a little bit of fun. So this is a pattern of shuffles. You're going to do 5 shuffles to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you do side, back, front. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, front. So you're making a little circle. Front, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, front. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and front, and side, and back, and front. Then you have side, same thing. 5 to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you continue the circle. Back, front, stop. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, side, back, front, stop. and side together. 5 to the front, continue the circle. 5 to the side, continue the circle. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, back, front, side, 2, 3, 4. Side, back, front, side. So that's why there's 5 in a row, because that circle starts with the same one you were just doing. Front, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, back, front, side, 2, 3, 4. Side, back, front, side. Okay? Then we do the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, front, side, back. So it keeps the same order. Since you started in the back, it goes back, front, side, back. Let's try the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and back, and front, and side, and back. Then you do front again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back. Instead of another front, you do a stamp to get to the other side. So from the back, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, back, front, side, back, front, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, side. And then you would do it all with the left foot. So let's try the whole thing with the left foot. So you're doing front, 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 around the clock. Side, 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 back, front, side, back, 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 front, side, back, front, 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 side, back, step. So you start the circle with the same one you just did. It's going to be a little confusing, but it is so much fun once you get it. Okay, so let's try the whole thing on the left foot since we haven't done the left yet. Ready? Just the whole second half with the front, 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 side, back, front. Don't worry about the 8, 8, 8, 7 right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, back, front, side, 2, 3, 4. Side, back, front, side, back, 2, 3, 4. Back, front, side, back, front, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, back, side. I am like terrified I'm going to miss my floor, but like I'm definitely not. So I need to stop being scared of missing my floor is the moral of today's story. So let's do right and then left. That second half, that around the clock kind of the front, side, back, side, side, back, front, side. Let's do right to left. Let's leave the 8, 8, 8, 7 alone for just a minute. So right and left, ready? We stand exactly in the middle of my floor, so I know I'm not going to mess this up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and front, and side, and back, and front, and side, and 2, and 3, and 4, and side, and back, and front, and side, back, 2, 3, 4, back, front, side, back, front, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, front, side, 2, 3, 4, back, back, front, side, back, 2, 3, 4, back, front, side, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, step. If anyone else feels like me right now, that's a good feeling. Being, oh Lord, I made it. And I don't know why, I am so scared I'm gonna miss my floor, which is so ridiculous. But, because I know I'm not, but I guess I'm used to having a smaller floor, so maybe I am a little scared. But, okay, so let's try the whole thing. The 8887, 8887, and the second half, the around the clock, front side, back side craziness. Let's try all of it together without music, and then we will do it with music. Cool? Let me just keep my computer awake. Yeah. Let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm like, don't fall off the floor, don't fall off the floor. It's so weird. I was just practicing on a floor half this size, so I'm assuming that that is why. Okay, let's try with music. Music's gonna help us keep that tempo and make me not have to keep shouting, and 1, and 2, and 3, like I'm Al Gilbert on a VHS or a cassette tape back in the 80s. So your tempo is gonna be shuffle, 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 and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Got it? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, run. And I know to switch. So hopefully that helped you guys too, because that really helped me. All right, so we did it. That was so much fun. Let's try speeding it up a little. Just a little bit, right? And if you don't want to, no big deal. You can always press rewind and do it at that tempo as many times as you want to. But I think we could try it a little faster. Just a little, right? Just 0.05% faster. Let's do it. So it'll go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And then try to count it in your head. Like you can start with it out loud, but then try just counting it in your head. It's gonna keep you on track to make sure you get the pattern correct. Because half the battle of today's technique exercise is the pattern. So let's put it up to full speed and then try it. It's only 0.05% faster again, but it's at full speed. Let's give it a shot. Hopefully you guys are getting nice, good shuffle exercises. And make sure that you are nice and loose. The shuffle comes from here. We got this. Got it? I like this exercise a lot. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, 4. That's your tempo. Awesome. Sweet. Well, I hope that you learned a really, really cool technique exercise today. I hope you had so much fun doing this with me. My classes are going to have a lot of fun doing this with me in person, and I love that you guys get to experience my classes via YouTube. It's so fun. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. It's like my new favorite word. Hit the subscribe button and join the top fam. I've got technique exercises like this. I've got step tutorials. I've got across the floor exercises. I also have choreography exercises, like choreography that you can learn just for fun, and Tappy Talks vlogs, bonus videos, lots of stuff on the channel. This is a bunch of tap dance, free tap dance resources for you to use. And I love that, especially right now, but hopefully beyond that. Hopefully when we get out of all this quarantine business and life goes back to somewhat normal, you still will have these free tap dance resources available to you on YouTube forever. I hope. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you had a really good time with this today. And if you enjoyed having Sayuri interrupt my video, as she does. And she's just sitting in the window like, okay. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a blast. As always, thank you for dancing with me.